while 90% of engineering students crowd into generic software hackathons with sub 1% selection rates. India's premier robotics, space, and semiconductor institutions offer free hardware kits, Million-Rupee prototyping grants, and direct IIT internships for hardware makers. Here are the top annual flagship hardware competitions you must target. First, the e-Yantra Robotics competition by IIT Bombay and the Ministry of Education. Qualified teams receive free custom robotics hardware kits delivered to their college, with top performers earning summer research internships at IIT Bombay. Second, the ISRO Robotics Challenge, where teams design planetary rovers tested on physical lunar obstacle terrain at Ursk, Bengaluru. And third, Abu Robocon, India, where the national collegiate winner officially represents India in the International Championship. For drone builders, NIDAR 2. Zero by the Drone Federation of India and MeitY offers a 65 lakh rupees prize pool and free development kits featuring the Indian Vega RISC-V processor. For chip designers, the DVCon India Design Contest provides FPGA prototyping challenges with direct hiring interviews from Synopsys, Cadence, Intel, and Qualcomm. And of course, the Smart India Hackathon Hardware Edition awards 100,000 rupees cash per problem statement with central ministry deployment. If you need funding to build, Samsung Solve for Tomorrow, in partnership with IIT Delhi, provides a 2 crore rupees incubation and prototyping grant pool for physical prototypes. The Boeing Build Challenge awards 10 lakh rupees non-dilutive grant per winning team with 6-month incubation across top IITs. And the Qualcomm Design in India Challenge offers $65,000 equity-free grants with Snapdragon hardware dev kits. To win, build a multidisciplinary team pairing ECE and mechanical students with computer science developers. Claim free official dev kits during the August registration window, and always bring a working breadboard MVP to judging. Explore verified rulebooks, timelines, and registration portals directly on our hub at BlinkNBuild. Subscribe to BlinkNBuild for step-by-step maker blueprints and engineering opportunities.